Hello everyone and welcome to my presentation for study and report 5 and the basis of this presentation, and I won't actually have the time to go through all the slides, so more than likely I will just be reading like a few of the bullet points on each slides. Now I've developed an outline of a technology supported learning environment for a hypothetical summer technology institute. At least that was my original plan, for elementary school teachers to learn about emerging technologies for student-centered pedagogy. Now there's a twist to it. Because of the COVID-19 travel restriction, this will be a synchronous online conference that will be used to facilitate the development, professional development and continuing education credits. And to do this, I'll be incorporating the dimensions of community of practice or inquiry, content perspective, learners, learning, objects, and assessment. Now, as far as committee of practice is concerned, the committee of practice for this conference consists primarily of elementary school teachers and curriculum coordinators, and technology-based methods such as online discussions, webinars, and live chats and immersive and virtual locations will facilitate the connection by mitigating against things such as distance and times. And the session facilitators include practitioners such as educational technologists, instructional technologists, and school librarians slash media specialists. And the practitioners, of course, are integrated into the conference because they will share up-to-date evidence-based information related to problem-solving strategies, new technologies, etc., that are also related to emerging technologies for student-centered pedagogy. As far as the content perspective, based on the professional development requirements of elementary school educators as well as the knowledge needed by their community of practice, the content will reflect the session facilitator's vision of the related and desired learning. And after laying the foundation, the session facilitator then determines how the content will be learned and assimilated. As far as learners are concerned, a virtual field immersion will be used to facilitate both authentic and memorable learning, and context-based understanding will be facilitated rather with the teachers reading observations, virtual field trips, activities, and the videos that are specifically arranged within the learning environments. And as far as learning objects, wherever possible, multiple technologies will be used to mediate, individualize, and strengthen learning. For example, e-tools, e-devices, and systems. And learning objects and experiences will be designed by integrating media, video, visual, and schematics with questions, challenges, and explanations. And as far as the assessment is concerned, which is very, very important, the assessment used for evaluating projects and assignments in this e-mediated learning environment will, of course, go beyond the traditional documentation of learning that considers and value the learning environment itself, and that emerge from an understanding of the richness of 21st century communication and interaction. And now to motivate learners, interaction which may provide valuable feedback for assessment purposes, the session facilitators will remain behind the scenes and observe accordingly. And also for assessment, the assessment will reflect the learning community being established by requiring and validating interactions, synthesized thinking, and creative interactions. And I also have the reference here. Thank you for being a part of my presentation. Until next time, take care.